Hello, everyone, and welcome back to another episode of our English speaking course. We're excited to have you with us today because this lesson is going to help you sound much more natural and advanced in English.
That's right. In today's episode, we're going beyond basic vocabulary. Many learners know thousands of English words, but they still struggle to sound fluent because they don't know how native speakers combine those words.
Exactly. Knowing individual words is important, but knowing how those words work together is what makes your English powerful.
These combinations are called collocations. A collocation is a natural partnership between two or more words that native speakers commonly use together.
For example, instead of saying give an opinion, advanced speakers often say express an opinion. Instead of saying make something better, they might say enhance something.
Today, we'll learn advanced collocations that you can use in professional conversations, interviews, presentations, academic discussions, and everyday communication.
Remember, the goal is not just to memorize these expressions. The goal is to understand them and use them naturally.
So, let's begin with our first advanced collocation.
Our first collocation is pose a challenge.
The word pose means to present or create something. When something poses a challenge, it creates a difficulty or problem that requires effort to overcome.
Here are some examples. Learning a new language can pose a challenge for many people. Rapid technological changes pose a challenge for traditional businesses. Working under pressure often poses a challenge for inexperienced employees.
Notice that we don't usually say create a challenge in formal situations. Pose a challenge sounds more sophisticated.
Let's use it in a conversation. What was the hardest part of starting your own business? Managing time effectively posed a major challenge because I had many responsibilities.
Our second collocation is spark curiosity.
This means to create interest or make someone want to learn more about something.
Spark is often connected with fire. Just like a small spark can start a fire, an interesting idea can start curiosity.
Examples. The documentary sparked my curiosity about ancient civilizations.
His unusual theory sparked curiosity among researchers.
A good teacher knows how to spark curiosity in students.
This collocation is especially useful when talking about education, science, creativity, or personal growth.
The next collocation is draw a conclusion.
It means to make a decision or opinion after thinking about information or evidence.
Examples. After analyzing the data, scientists drew an important conclusion. The next collocation is draw a conclusion.
It means to make a decision or opinion after thinking about information or evidence.
Examples. After analyzing the data, scientists drew an important conclusion.
We shouldn't draw conclusions before understanding the whole situation.
The investigation helped experts draw a clear conclusion.
A common mistake is saying make a conclusion. Native speakers usually say draw a conclusion.
Our next advanced collocation is exercise caution.
This means to be careful and avoid unnecessary risks.
Examples. People should exercise caution when sharing personal information online.
Investors must exercise caution before making financial decisions.
Travelers are advised to exercise caution in unfamiliar areas.
This expression sounds much more professional than simply saying be careful.
Now let's learn a powerful collocation. Exert influence.
It means to have an effect or control over someone or something.
Examples. Social media influencers can exert significant influence on consumer behavior.
Parents often exert influence on their children's decisions.
Historical events continue to exert influence on modern society.
This phrase is commonly used in discussions about politics, psychology, business, and society. Our next collocation is very useful in meetings and discussions.
Reach a consensus.
It means to achieve a general agreement after discussion.
Examples. The team reached a consensus after several hours of discussion.
Countries must work together to reach a consensus on global issues.
It was difficult, but everyone eventually reached a consensus.
Instead of saying everyone agreed, Using reach a consensus makes your English sound more advanced.
Now,
Our next collocation is challenge assumptions.
An assumption is something that people believe without complete proof.
To challenge assumptions means to question ideas that people accept without thinking deeply.
Examples: great innovators challenge assumptions and find new solutions.
Scientists constantly challenge assumptions through research.
Successful leaders encourage employees to challenge assumptions.
This is a phrase you'll often hear in business, education, and critical thinking discussions.
Another excellent collocation is gain momentum.
It means to become stronger, more successful, or more popular over time.
Examples: the environmental movement is gaining momentum worldwide.
Her career gained momentum after she won the competition.
The project started slowly but gradually gained momentum.
think of momentum as energy that helps something continue moving forward more.
Our next collocation is fuel speculation.
It means to increase guesses or rumors about something when there is not enough confirmed information.
Examples:
The company's sudden announcement fueled speculation about future changes.
The mysterious event fueled speculation among experts.
His absence from the meeting fueled speculation.
This phrase is common in news reports and discussions about uncertain situations.
Finally, for part 1, we have strike a balance. This means to find a healthy middle point between two different things. Examples: It is important to strike a balance between work and personal life.
Good leaders know how to strike a balance between confidence and humility.
Students need to strike a balance between studying and relaxing.
This is one of the most useful advanced expressions because it can be used in many situations.
Excellent work, everyone! Today, you learned 10 advanced English collocations that can immediately improve the quality of your speaking.
But remember, advanced vocabulary only becomes useful when you actually use it. Try creating your own sentences with these collocations.
In part 2, we'll continue with 10 more powerful collocations, including expressions used in professional conversations, debates, and advanced English speaking.
We'll also practice a realistic conversation where we use these expressions naturally.
Welcome back to part 2 of episode 12. In the first part, we learned 10 powerful English collocations that can make your speaking sound more natural and professional.
That's right. We learned expressions like pose a challenge, draw a conclusion, reach a consensus, and strike a balance.
In this part, we'll continue with 10 more advanced collocations. These expressions are commonly used by native speakers in workplaces, interviews, presentations, and serious conversations.
So get ready to upgrade your English and take your communication skills to the next level.
Our first collocation in part 2 is bear responsibility.
It means to accept responsibility for something, especially something serious or important.
The word bear here means to carry or handle something difficult.
Examples: leaders must bear responsibility for their decisions.
Everyone should bear responsibility for protecting the environment.
The company agreed to bear responsibility for the mistake.
This expression sounds more formal than simply saying take responsibility. Our next collocation is seize an opportunity.
It means to take advantage of a good chance quickly before it disappears.
The word seize means to grab something firmly. In this expression, it means to confidently use an opportunity.
Examples: successful people know when to seize an opportunity.
She seized the opportunity to study abroad.
If you want to improve, you must seize every opportunity to practice.
Many successful people believe that opportunities do not always come twice, so we should recognize and use them wisely.
The next advanced collocation is shape perceptions.
It means to influence how people think about someone or something.
A perception is the way we understand or view a person, situation, or idea.
Examples: media can shape people's perceptions of important issues.
First impressions often shape our perceptions of others.
A company's reputation shapes customers' perceptions of its products.
This collocation is often used in psychology, marketing, communication, and business. Now, let's learn the collocation, raise concerns.
It means to express worries or problems about something.
Examples. Experts have raised concerns about the effects of pollution.
Employees raised concerns about the new workplace policy.
The new technology has raised concerns about privacy.
A common mistake is saying make concerns. The correct expression is raise concerns.
Our next collocation is provide insight.
It means to give a deeper understanding of a topic or situation.
Examples. The research provides insight into human behavior.
Her experience provided valuable insight into the industry.
This book provides insight into how successful people think. Notice that insight is not just information. It is a deeper understanding that helps people see something more clearly. The next expression is very common in technology and business.
Drive innovation.
It means to encourage or create new ideas, methods, or technologies.
Examples. Technology continues to drive innovation in healthcare.
Creative thinking drives innovation.
Companies must adapt quickly to drive innovation and remain competitive.
This phrase is often used when discussing progress and future development.
Our next collocation is exercise authority.
It means to use power or control in a particular situation.
Examples. Good leaders know how to exercise authority responsibly. Teachers exercise authority in the classroom to maintain discipline. Governments exercise authority to create and enforce laws.
Remember, authority should be used wisely because leadership is not only about power, but also about responsibility.
Now we have one of the most useful expressions for everyday life.
Make an informed decision.
It means to make a choice after gathering enough information and understanding the situation.
Examples. Research helps consumers make informed decisions.
Before choosing a career, students should make an informed decision.
You should consider all factors before making an informed decision.
This expression is extremely useful for interviews, discussions, and formal writing.
Our next advanced collocation is come under scrutiny.
It means to be carefully examined or investigated.
Scrutiny means very close attention and examination.
Examples. The company's actions came under scrutiny after the incident.
Politicians often come under scrutiny because of their decisions.
The scientific research came under scrutiny from experts.
This phrase is commonly used in news, politics, science, and business.
Our final collocation for today is set a precedent. It means to create an example or standard that may influence future situations. Examples. The court's decision set a legal precedent. This achievement set a precedent for future generations. The company's new policy could set a precedent for other organizations. This is a powerful expression used when talking about important decisions and their long-term effects. Now it's your turn. Choose any 3 collocations from today's lesson and create your own sentences. For example, learning English can pose a challenge, but consistent practice helps students gain momentum. Another example, people should exercise caution before making important decisions because they need to make an informed decision. The more you use these expressions, the more naturally they will become part of your speaking. Congratulations! You have completed episode 12 of our English speaking course. Today, you learned 20 advanced English collocations that can help you communicate with more confidence and fluency. Remember, fluent English is not about using complicated words everywhere. It is about choosing the right expressions at the right time.
Practice these collocations, use them in conversations, and slowly make them part of your everyday English.
If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like this video and share it with other English learners.
And subscribe to our channel for more advanced English lessons, speaking practice, and vocabulary improvement.
Thank you for learning with us today.
Keep practicing, keep improving, and we'll see you in the next episode.